looking for some super crispy popcorn chicken? You could drive to your local restaurant and pay a lot of money to get some deep fried, super greasy popcorn chicken, or you could toss those coupons, stay home, and make your own healthier version right in your air fryer. My name is Kathy and I am here to help you actually use your air fryer. Today I'm going to show you how to make ultra crispy, crunchy, juicy chicken poppers, popcorn chicken, chicken nuggets, whatever you want to call it. And you won't need a drop of oil to do it. And just a heads up, these will be ready in 20 minutes or less. Yay! Are you ready? Let's go. This recipe is gonna make you about 40 pieces of popcorn chicken, and I'm gonna show you how to make it gluten-free. First, start with a pound of chicken. Cut this recipe in half if you don't need quite as much. All you're gonna do is chop it up into little bite-sized pieces. Just try to get them in even sizes, and if you want, you could make them even smaller than I did. You'll just shorten the cooking time a little bit. Give your chicken a quick wash, and then here's an important part. You'll want to pat the chicken dry. This is one important step for ultra crispy chicken. Then we're gonna mix up some coconut milk and pickle juice. And no, this will not make your chicken taste like coconut. Don't worry about that. You'll need 1 to 1.5 cups of coconut milk, and then about a half tablespoon of pickle juice. Just stir that up together and set it aside. Next, gather up your spices. You'll just need 1 teaspoon of each. I've got garlic powder, onion powder, and some paprika. You could even do smoked paprika if you have it. Then add in a half teaspoon of black pepper. And if you want, you can add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then anywhere from a pinch to no more than a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper if you want some heat. Now don't worry about scrambling and writing everything down. I have the entire recipe listed for you down in the video notes below. Plus, this recipe is included in my air fryer recipe book. You can find that at yummyairfryerrecipes.com. Now it's time for the crispy part. Dump about 5 to 6 cups of cornflakes in a Ziploc bag or a food processor, and you're gonna crush that up. Now you can use any brand of cornflakes. This is where your gluten-free option comes in. And once that's all crushed, go ahead and drop your seasonings right in the bag and give it a good old shake. And then dump it out onto a large plate or a big old bowl. And then just get about 1/2 to 1 cup of cornstarch. That is going to be step 1 of your station. So now it's time to coat the chicken pieces. Just drop some chicken in that cornstarch and toss it around, and then you're gonna dunk it right into your coconut milk mixture. And then just toss it into your cornflake mixture. And then you're just gonna repeat the process. Drop those back into the cornstarch, back into the coconut milk, back into the cornflake mixture. I usually do about 5 or 6 pieces of chicken at a time. And yes, it's a bit messy, but come on, it's so worth it. Now set those pieces in a single layer in your air fryer basket. And psych, you do not need oil. Leave that in your cabinet. There is no oil in this recipe. Woo woo. Pop it in the air fryer, set your temperature to 400, and set the timer for 8 minutes. Now, I got the newer model of the Kasori, and it's got this cute little button that I can press to remind me to shake or turn my food at the halfway point. And here we go. Oh, they're looking good. Just give them a flip. Now, I'm a mother of 8, and my fingers have been conditioned to handle high heat, so I'm gonna just flip them with my fingers. You can use silicone tongs instead. Then pop this back in. Look, my air fryer starts all by itself. Well, let's take a look. Oh yes, they look so beautiful. Taste test. Look what I've got. Did you know you can buy like 16 ounces on Amazon of these? If we're gonna go healthier with our nugget, we've got some room for this deliciousness right here. That, my friends, is so good. Let's see if this 6-year-old approves.
It's crunchy and it's good.
You like it? Yes! Would you like more? I've got some super crispy fried chicken right here, and I think you're gonna like this one as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.